strong nails, strong hair, and beautiful skin. Even the Korean women, they use it. That's one of their beauty secrets.
Oh,
The main thing that do the great trick
Yeah.
is the silica. The bamboo shoot is also helpful because you can get the bamboo shoot and you can use it and make tea just the same. You can cut it up and steam it in your vegetable.
hey, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing to showcase all the potent medicinal herbs here in Jamaica. And today we're gonna look at, ready for this one? Bamboo. Yes, you're probably as surprised as I was to learn about the major health benefits of bamboo and bamboo silica. Miss Lawrence from These Island Classic is gonna share with us all the amazing health benefits of bamboo. And I'm gonna share that with you. First out, do a special shout out to on my Patreon, the persons who support me on this journey. There's a link in the description. I want to big them up. If you're interested in finding out how, check the link in the description to learn more about that. And indeed, all the persons who continue to share and comment and all the good stuff and like my videos, I say thank you. If you are brand new though, meaning you're here for the first time, I say welcome. I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I implore you, I beg you, to join us on the journey. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! This is the bamboo, 100 feet approximately 100 feet bamboo tree, guys, and this is Miss Lawrence. Miss
Hi,
Lawrence,
guys.
how you do?
I'm good.
Hi to the world.
Yes, hi guys.
I have been fascinated from you mentioning it to me. Bamboo powder,
Right.
right? But before we
Right.
get into bamboo powder, I want you to help me and my viewers watching. Tell us a little bit about bamboo in general and the health benefits, and well, general uses of bamboo. What can you tell us about bamboo?
Well, bamboo has been around from ancient days. We use bamboo to make furniture. We use bamboo to do like craft that they sell in the craft market like for tourists. We can also use the shell of the bamboo to do like herrings.
Oh yes, yes,
Yes, we can use it to do herring. And some people use it and make cups.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So the benefits of the bamboo now. Bamboo is 70% rich in silica, a great mineral for your bone, your skin, and your hair.
I was doing a little research last night on that in preparation for the video, and I saw that it says close to 80% of natural silica.
Right.
It's the only plant or only
that carries
source
that amount.
that has
Yes.
that level of
Right.
silica,
Right.
and the body needs silica.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't
Yes,
know.
the body needs silica, and then bamboo not just have silica. It having potassium, calcium, and manganese, and folic acid.
Let me ask you, Miss. I know you've been studying these things for a while now, but did you know this like when you were growing up?
No.
It's later on you
Right.
get the knowledge.
You know what really pushed me to do this? Couple years ago, the government was doing they were going to export bamboo and the importance of bamboo to make furniture. So then I get into research now, and then I get to find out say bamboo not just make furniture. Bamboo is also good for the skin, the hair, and the whole body.
And speaking of furniture, guys, I have a little bonus for you a little later. Stay to the end. I have a bonus for you. Don't leave us. Stay with us. I'm going to share that with you at the end as well. So that's bamboo. Tell us about bamboo silica. So you convert bamboo as a bamboo leaf
Yes.
into a sort of powder.
Yes, and I do the tea bags.
You do tea bags.
Right.
I didn't know you could drink bamboo like that.
Yes, you can drink your bamboo tea because the bamboo tea is good because when you drink a cup of bamboo, you know, it would go through your system. You know, and you put in like the bamboo powder in your morning smoothie. What better deal?
Somebody said, "No, what Miss Lawrence talk about? Where she get this knowledge from?"
Yes, that's why I would tell all the subscribers, go and do your homework.
Yeah.
Do a research on bamboo.
Yeah. All right. So the bamboo powder you make, and I want to salute you and all the artisans and the craft people and the herbal people, people who are using these traditional products,
Right,
right?
right.
Traditional plants and so on, herbs, to make these stuff now that are, I mean, we are able to sell to the entire world now.
Right, right.
So I want to salute you for that.
Right.
And I notice you're bringing in
Thank
your
you.
son in the business as well, which is awesome. So back to the bamboo powder though. What is it good for? What is the benefit of the bamboo powder in more specifically?
Yes, as I say, bamboo powder have a high level of potassium, magnesium, which you know that help your blood pressure and stuff like that. But I would advise anybody going to use the bamboo powder first speak with, if you have a medical condition, talk with your healthcare professional before. Right?
So
because we don't normally, we are not a doctor.
Yeah.
So we don't normally, so people have to do their own research because every product respond to every individual differently.
Yes.
Right.
Awesome. All right. So the bamboo powder that you have, that you make, which is for the most part grounded.
Right.
It's the leaves that you use, the
Yes.
dried leaves that you
The
ground
dry leaves.
to make the powder.
Right,
And you
right.
sell it, you market it as a tea bag kind of thing.
Yes.
Primarily.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's a silica in there that is a big.
Yes, that is the
ingredient.
big thing for the bamboo powder.
Yeah, you have the other
It have
stu-
other minerals, you know, as I
But-
say, calcium,
Yeah.
magnesium,
Yeah.
manganese,
Yeah.
and other minerals. But as I say,
Yeah.
the main thing that do the great trick
Yeah.
is the silica.
All right. So what trick does the silica do? What does the silica itself do?
The
to the body?
silica, it gives you strong nails, strong hair, and beautiful skin. Even the Korean women, they use it. That's one of their beauty secrets.
Oh.
Yes.
You
So you
use-
can take it and make a mask. You can get like kale on clay or the clay of your choice and just mix both of them with some water, apply it and let it stay on for about 20 minutes and then wash and put on your regular moisturizer.
I learned too that it's good for bones.
Yes.
Can you
So
tell us
that
about
when you ingest it,
uh-huh.
there you get the benefit.
the bone density and flexibility?
Right.
The collagen.
Right.
That the collagen is like the material within the we call in the joints, right?
Right, right.
So the silica helps with
Yeah,
that.
yes, it helps with that. Because if you can look on the bamboo, all right, you look at the bamboo now, you see how it's flexible and it bend across, it gone across. The flexibility.
That's what it gives the body.
Right.
I have some questions for you, Miss Lawrence. Typically that I ask my interviewees. And guys, stay tuned. Some of you are gonna ask the very same question. So I've put together some questions for her. Is bamboo silica, because that's a key ingredient you're promoting in the product. We're talking about the bamboo silica, which is in the bamboo powder. Is bamboo silica good for hair growth? That's
Yes,
what
yes it does.
It does.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Does silica tighten your skin?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
it
actually
does.
one of the. It's actually one of its big benefits.
Yes, it having collagen. You'd say it come with a little collagen.
Yeah, yeah.
So you know that collagen help your skin to keep firm.
Okay. All right, guys. I didn't have a whole bunch of questions for her. I want to. If you have a question for her now, drop it right now in the comment, because Miss Lawrence will respond to that. Right, Miss Lawrence?
Yes, I will. I will.
Any questions you have?
I will.
You have for her on bamboo in general, or bamboo silica? I tell you though that I was really impressed. I was impressed, surprised a little bit, because I didn't know. I know about bamboo and people talking about using it to build for construction and stuff. I didn't know that we could and actually the bamboo shoot as food.
Yes.
And I know the
bamboo
Chinese.
shoot, the bamboo shoot is also helpful because you can get the bamboo shoot and you can use it and make tea just the same. You can cut it up and steam it in your vegetables.
Yeah, I knew about that, but I didn't
And you
really
can
know.
put it with your chicken, any meat, your fish.
Uh-huh.
You put in your little turmeric and
Yeah.
your little all-purpose season.
And you that.
There you go.
Did you know about bamboo powder, bamboo silica? Go to the comment right now and type your answer there right now, guys. Did you know about it? I want to hear from you. Type it in there. Meanwhile, I'm going to ask Miss Lawrence to show us one of the products that she used, the bamboo to make. We're in the field, guys, and you see some huge bamboo plants, bamboo trees here. It's beautiful, it's very tranquil here. A lot of bamboo trees here. And I suppose these are the same bamboo you would use, right, miss? I know there are
Yes,
different
yes.
varieties, but this is
Yes, the
this
same
is
bamboo.
the same bamboo you
We
use.
just gather the leaves
Uh-huh.
and then we dehydrate them.
Okay, and you make your powder.
Yes.
All right. So okay. So tell us about this product that you have now.
Well, this product can be used on the skin. You can use it to make your facial mask, as I told you before. You can get your special clay. If you don't have any clay, you can mix your in your water and just apply it on your face. Wait about 20 minutes. Then you wash off and then you apply your regular moisturizer.
Hold on a second. So what you said? Back up a little. I think I missed that. You wash your face, normal wash.
Yes.
And then
you make a paste.
with this.
Yes.
So just put some water on it.
Right. Just mix it in some water to make a paste.
Uh-huh.
And then you just apply it to your skin.
And leave it how long?
Leave it about 20 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Right.
And then
And you can, if you have, as I say, if you have kaolin clay is an excellent clay.
Uh-huh.
And you can use it with that also.
You use it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
You can apply a little, lavender oil or vitamin E oil with it. Right.
oh, you're so resourceful. I like that. Your skin look beautiful. I wonder if that's why that you use, Miss Sorry.
Yes, I
That's the
use
secret,
it.
the bamboo powder?
Yes. And I use this also.
What's that?
This is the bamboo soap.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This is the bamboo soap.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This is getting the traction from
Oh.
because a lot of people buy it and they call me and say they like how it make them skin feel when they come out the shower.
Ah.
Yes, this is nice.
So that's
I'm
what-
getting a lot of support from Florida, for especially the bamboo soap.
Oh, so it's mostly for face or entire body?
Face all over.
Oh.
And even the baby, you can use it on the baby because I don't use any harsh chemical in it. Just natural product, vitamin E, olive oil, and all
Renisha
those
and
things.
Cher, we're gonna test out the bamboo.
Yes, I
po-
want you to test
Guys,
out the
I'm gonna
bamboo
test it out
soap.
and you look at my face in the next video and tell me how I look. We're gonna try. Well, that's lovely.
Yes.
So that's your two main products that you use,
Yes,
the
from
bamboo.
the bamboo. And,
Wow.
this is a tea bag.
Uh-huh.
We are currently working on the label.
Uh-huh.
This is a tea bag.
Oh, okay. The bamboo leaf now.
Yes.
It's not the powder in here,
No,
that's the leaf.
the leaf.
And you'd so you have three products with it.
Yes.
You have the
You have the powder,
Uh-huh.
I have the soap, and I have the tea bag.
okay, so it's a work in progress.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. You don't crush that one, you just
No, I just put it in it like
okay.
this.
And how would typically how I use it?
You prepare it, you just get a cup of boiling water, and you just drop in your tea bag, let it steam for about 10 minutes, and you mix
that's
with
it?
honey or you take natural and you're
So
good to go.
so hold on a second now. That means I could take the bamboo leaf itself, right here now, guys. The bamboo leaf itself and make a tea.
Yes. You go dry it.
Dry it and then.
Yes, and make yourself a cup of tea.
I didn't know that.
Yes. Yes.
So and it's the same benefits with the whole
Yes,
silica
same
and
benefits, same
silica and all them
benefits,
stuff.
same benefits.
So I would assume that people who have joint issues, right? Is it osteoarthritis and
yes,
those kind of things?
osteo
And those kind of things.
Yes.
And calcium issues, joint issues, bone issues.
Yes.
This would be a good.
You can take it along with their normal supplement and they will see result. Because I'm sure everybody would like their knees and bones to be strong like the bamboo tree.
I found out something else as well. I don't know if you got any had any information on that, but bamboo is used to treat what they call benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is an inflammation of the prostate that causes
No,
frequent
I read about it, but I didn't go deep into
in that aspect of it. So it's apparently good for the prostate.
Yes.
And we talked about it earlier that the extract is the richest known source of silica. 70%. You women mentioned it earlier.
Yes.
And 10 times more potent than horsetail silica. You know what horsetail silica?
Yes, that's what come in the horsetail herb.
Horsetail. And I'm not. We have it here in Jamaica.
No,
Okay.
I don't think we have horsetail.
But we don't need horsetail if we have bamboo.
Yes, we don't need it.
Guys said it's 10 times more potent than the silica
Right.
in horsetail.
Yes.
So those of you who know what horsetail is, guys, this bad boy here, the bamboo, is 10 times more potent in relation to silica. Right? If you have the bamboo.
You don't need the horsetail.
You don't need the horsetail.
Right.
Okay, no disrespect to horsetail. Okay, if persons are interested. Oh, by the way, you have some other products here.
Yes, I
Ready to
have
display?
the dandelion powder, and I have the annatto. Good old annatto when
Yeah.
you fry your fritters,
Yeah.
or you go season up your chicken,
Yeah.
you just apply a little,
Uh-huh.
get nice color, and the good old festive season is coming with the Jamaica sorrel powder. You just apply it, you just put on your water and just add your little ginger, cloves, and you just add in it, and when you finish, just strain off and you're gone.
Cool, cool.
We have the ginger here. We have turmeric powder, pimento powder, good old busy, and we take the chocolate and make a chocolate.
Old time chocolate tea. I see the old
Right.
mug, yes, man. Who remember the old mug, guys? See there? Oh, you find a picture of miss. Are your mug? I like
The
your mug.
graphic artist.
Big her up for me, guys. Give her a thumbs up for the work that she's
And
doing
the
with
good old
natural
Mama castor oil.
castor oil. Big up Miss Lawrence right now. Give her a thumbs up. Show them a thumbs up, Miss Lawrence. Show them a thumbs up. All right. If persons are interested in your products, I want to.
Well, if persons are interested in these products, they can see us go on Shopify, These Island Classic,
Excellent.
or Instagram, These Island Classic.
Spell the These Island.
D''S Island Classic.
Oh, not D-E-E. D-R-S.
Yes.
Oh, these.
And you can also, we have a YouTube channel that we started lately where we demonstrate different ways of doing
using
this
this thing?
product. So you can just go on YouTube and look for these, show you how.
Oh, awesome. Let me ask you, what about phone number, WhatsApp though? I mean, a lot of persons.
Yes, you can call us on
WhatsApp?
394
876.
876 394 3764 or 876 868 7710.
These Island Classic,
Classic.
guys, and her bamboo powder et al. All right, I said we had a bonus for you guys. So we have a little bonus and we're gonna show that to you right now. And that is it, the chocolate Jamaican old time cocoa. And Mr. Dervy, Miss Lawrence's son, he's gonna actually try and capture. All right, this is our little bonus for you. This is chocolate. Who remember the chocolate? All right, so we just picked the chocolate. That one, like, you have a little damage. That's okay. Something we're picking it. Yes, man. So we're gonna show. This is a bonus. We're gonna show you guys that this is the chocolate. This is what makes Miss Lawrence. This is what makes cocoa
Right.
chocolate as you know it. Look how pretty. Look how beautiful this is, guys. If you didn't know, and have an awesome smell too. Smells sweet.
And you can eat.
Yeah, smells sweet.
Coming from school in those young days, we just get the cocoa, burst it open, and by the time we go, we suck off a whole cocoa.
A whole cocoa. Yeah, nice. And then now the seed
The seed,
behind
the
the seed that is behind.
the
So let's
seed.
show.
Hold it for me. This is the kernel, guy, that we use, the cocoa seed. It's very hard to come off now, because you have to wash it off.
Oh, typically you wash it. Okay.
You have to wash it and rub it. But lend me the knife. All right.
In the meantime, guys, while Miss Lawrence is trying to get the seed, we just want to show you.
It's a bit slimy.
It's
slippery.
slippery, yeah.
Because
Yeah, because normally you'd suck it off and then when you have the thing, and you dry it. Yeah.
You'd wash it.
Wash it.
yeah, we're going to this now. Guys, it's giving a little problem to come off. What we normally do, we wash this and then we put it to dry. We put it to dry for about 5 days if we're having good weather. And then we put it to roast. Roast, and then we beat it and drop in with little nutmeg, with vanilla, with cinnamon, you name it. And guys, nothing no better than one hot cup of chocolate, especially in the cold.
Yes, yes, especially
And go around the fire. You just go around your the heater or the fireplace and have your cup of
original
cocoa tea,
traditional
and
Jamaican.
just cock up your foot so and watch a good movie. Right.
And you actually have a finished product here. We talked about it earlier.
This is a finished product.
That you use to make the talk.
Right. This is the powder. We created a powder to make, so you just put in your milk, put on a cup of milk, and you just add your tablespoon or your teaspoon of chocolate powder, and you're good to go.
Awesome. That is a chocolate, guys. I wanted to share with you. Some of you might have known it before, is familiar with it. Some might not have seen it, but that's it. That's it. That is the chocolate that is used to make the traditional Jamaican chocolate tea, and also chocolate. As you know, chocolate. The chocolate, yes, the chocolate that you see in the supermarket. The finished chocolate.
Yes, it's the same chocolate.
It's the same product.
Make your chocolate bar.
The same chocolate that makes your chocolate bar. This is it. All right. Lawrence, guys, from These Island Classic and her bamboo powder. What do you make of that? I want to hear from you. Stop now and drop a comment. Let me hear what you think about what she's doing. And what do you think about bamboo? Did you know that bamboo was so potent? Let me know in the comments. By the way, that pretty stuff you see on the ground there, that purple stuff, it's actually OT80 apple. The flower of the OT80 apple falling off the tree. Very lush area here we are. Lovely. So anyway, there's another video I'd like you to see. Before you go, there's another video I'd like you to see. I visited Mr. Hamilton in K Manors in Kingston. We did a video on the bamboo, same bamboo, but it's bamboo furniture. Amazing stuff. He used bamboo to make furniture commercially. Some of the best furniture in some of the top hotels, villas and stuff in Jamaica. They make them. And I want you to see that video. Check it out. It's an interesting video. Bamboo furniture at Mr. Hamilton. Link in the description, in the card above. See you in that one.